Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video how you can make Instagram post for your Instagram. So first of all, we're gonna make on it Canva. So first of all, we'll open your Chrome browsers and write canva.com and sign in your Canva account and click on the create a design. The search bar is open, so we're gonna write here Instagram 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 post. So the Canva shows us the Instagram post pixels. It will be portrait, square, for video editing, for picture, reels, story videos, Instagram posts, video story, shop maker. If you have to customize your pixels, you can click on that and you will customize it. So we're gonna click on the portrait. The new tab is opening. Untitled design. The untitled design means you will change the text on the untitled. Untitled means you will write a name for your file and png image in your account. So first we're gonna do that. If you have an influencer account on Fitness Freak, so still click on the search bar and write gym. So the gym poster will appear. So we're gonna select one of the attractive post, click on the first one, now we're gonna do that. We're gonna edit this, shape your body, join now www.com. We're gonna change some things like change the white color into black, and change the text into Gold's Gym. Gold's Gym. Join now, and if you have a website, you can write, change the text in, and write your website name. Now we're gonna change the color, so we're gonna adjust it, move it to the right side and the left side into the left side. Now the person will appear. So we're gonna add one more page and more second post for your Instagram. So we're gonna write here Gold Gym. Find the right fitness program for your need. Change the text into your website. This is already made. So 2 posts for men and no 3 posts for men. This is also one we want. So we also change this into, delete this logo sign and pick this logo, copy, paste it here also, like this. And change the color into white, so logo will appear. We're gonna paste the logo here also and change the color of the logo again. Now shape your body again. We're gonna change the text into gold gem and change the blue color image into now we have 3 posts for Instagram. We're gonna make one post for females, so click on this. The image is loading and now we're gonna change it also into a red color. We're gonna paste the logo on here also. And change the color of the logo and change the color text into red and the green color into white. Scroll down a little bit, add one more post for females, so we're gonna adjust the colors. Select the shape and change the color. Shape your body. This will use for the discount poster for females. We're gonna change the text color also into red and the outer shape line into white. So this is our theme colors. 1 2 3 4 5. So if you want to download these posts, you go to the share option, scroll down a little bit and there is a downloading option up here. Click on that. You can change the size into what you have want, but Canva suggests you to download in PNG. If you want to download in JPG, you can click on that, and if you want to give video SVG, PDF print and PDF standard print, but we gonna download into PNG, so again go to the downloads option. So if you are made one post, if you download the post, the Canva will download one post. If you have made 5 posts, you're gonna go to click on that all pages, unselect all the pages, and what image if you download, you're gonna select one by one and select page number 1, add one, and then download. The first image is when downloaded, you can select the second one, third one, and fourth one. Repeat the process until it downloaded into file. So this is the today's video. Hope you like this video. Share this video to your family and friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.